I forgot how nice it was to have the roll-away nest box, the best nest box, until I went over and got my neighbor's out of town. He wanted me to gather his eggs. Man, I don't miss having to clean eggs at all. And I very, very seldom have to clean eggs now with the best nest box. They're just almost every one of them. One every 2 weeks. I might need to wipe off every 3 weeks, maybe. And the rest of them are just perfect. None of them look like that. I tell you what, I know they're not cheap, but if you just got a few chickens, all you really need is a 2-holer, just a double nest box. They're about 2 feet wide, if I remember right. And you just don't need, you know, a huge one. I've got one that's a 4-bay nest box, and right now I've got 18 hens, I think, but most of the time I keep 10 or 12, and that's just way too. It's much bigger than what's necessary. Kind of like my tractor. There's times when it's necessary, times when a 70-horse tractor is necessary, and most of the time it's not. But when you need it, you need it. So and I'm sure there's times that there may be some waiting. If there's only a 2-holer, there may be some waiting involved, and instead of waiting, she may drop it on the ground, and may lay it on the ground instead of in the nest box. But as a general rule, I think, you know, if you've got a dozen chickens, a 2-holer, a double nest box would be plenty for you. But I don't miss. I'm gonna have to go in there. He wanted me to keep the eggs. I mean, he wanted me to take them for my own. So I'm gonna have to go in there and clean that up. And I'm telling you, I don't miss that at all. So if you can afford a nest box, they're not terribly expensive, but they're not cheap either. When you start thinking about, well, I get, you know, 2 dozen eggs a week, and how long would it take to pay for a $100 nest box or a $200 nest box, something like that? Well, I understand it's not necessarily cost effective, but it makes your life so much easier. So I highly recommend it. I mean, I can't recommend it highly enough. So do with that information as you may. And there are plenty of places online, on YouTube and such, that tell you how to make one. It's going to be a lot cheaper than if you buy one. So you may want to try that. Go ahead and make a nest box. And they don't look complicated to me. So it may be something you want to look into. Use some YouTube videos on it. I believe there's some plans online that you can get. I'm not going to have any links to it. You'll just have to figure it out on yourself, on your own. But you know, if money's an issue, and I do understand that it's usually an issue with me too. If money's an issue, you may want to make your own. But a roll-away nest box, whether it's a best nest box or one of their competitors, that the egg rolls down. As soon as they lay it, it rolls down into a catch area, a holding area that they can't get to, can't peck, can't get to, and they can't poop on, and other eggs bust in the nest, and that yellow right there is from a busted egg. And that yolk, once it's busted and once it gets on, that's hard to get off. It's literally like glue. Said a lot to say this. If you can afford one, or if you can build one, a roll-away nest box alleviates that and makes your life so much easier. So much easier. Give it a shot. Give it a try. I'm a big, big fan. All right. We're gone.